Introducing the LRS1515AI, 150 watts active acoustic hailing and birds dispersal system, the upgraded version of LRS1515A, featuring deep proprietary AI technology. What's new with AI? Common market devices require a certain distance between the PTT mic and speaker to avoid feedback. With a built-in AI chip, the hailing system provides AI Automatic Feedback Suppression, smarter noise reduction for clearer PTT communication, instant readiness, no operational distance limitations. How AI technology works. The key difference lies in the acoustic hailing player embedded with the AI processing module that optimizes microphone pickup, suppresses whistling noise, and enhances speech clarity in real time. LRAS1515PIIAI acoustic hailing player with built-in AI chip. Display screen with nightlight support. It can effectively project hailing and dispersal sound up to 250 meters and reach as far as 700 meters at 75 decibels with clear and intelligible audio. Let's experience the live demonstration. Powerful audio for security enforcement. One-button dispersal mode. 20 meters. 50 meters. 'AI noise reduction and feedback suppression demo, always ready for action.
1, 2, 3. This is the test of the long-range acoustic device.
1, 2, 3. This is a test of the active long-range directed acoustic hailing device. Can project live voice or pre-recorded messages and sounds across great distances with astonishing clarity. Sound defense. Build a line of defense for security with intensified sound. A's military qualification certification approval. A independently researched and developed innovative technology. Key highlights of LRAS1515AI. Multiple installation options. On-site project pictures. Applications recommended.